Creating stairs as this one is in Revit is a very simple process, and literally you can do that in a couple of clicks. So let me show you how. Firstly, I'm going to lower the height between our levels, so let's make it 2.7 meters because it's going to give me a clear number of the stairs, or the stair height. And let's just go to the stairs. I will take this one, we'll just put the tree depth of 28 centimeters, and let's quit. So I will select the stairs and we'll duplicate this one. We'll go here to the run type, and then we have 3 small dots. We'll duplicate this type, we'll make, and we'll name this one of 50 and this one of 50. Click fine, and let's just get rid of the supports by right and left side. So this is the result. It's quite simple, isn't it? But the only difference is that we have no lines visible between the risers and the treads. So again, let's go to edit type, run type, and then for the riser to tread connection, just pick join all risers and treads. So that's it. The first one are done. To get something like this, we can just simply duplicate this one. I will delete all the railings. And again here and duplicate. So let's just make this thickness of 10 and 10 millimeters. And you see, it's fine, but the thing is that we have some kind of radius over there. So let's go to edit type, to the run type, and for the nose profile, let's take this one of 20 millimeters. So you see, here it comes. The next one, which you can also get very quickly out of this system, are those stairs. So for them, I'm going to copy this one, and of course we'll duplicate it, and we'll duplicate run type as well. Nothing for the nosing, and thickness it could be 80. Okay, this seems fine. The thing is that we would like to have that our threads, they are going a little bit inside, so we can achieve it in the run type as well with just giving the nosing length value. So I'm going to make it 80 millimeters. So you see, simple. Very simple. And let's see the last one. If you would like to have, let's say this is the left support or the middle one, I can just copy this one as well, go to edit type and duplicate it as the fourth one, and let's take the support, the left one, let's make this one as the open one. And what we can do, we can just make it wider. So go to edit type and then take this one, duplicate it, let's make this one as 450, and then for the width put just 450, and that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that those tips and tricks are going to help you out with the stairs, and if you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel.